Spigen makes some of the best cases on the market, so it shouldn't come as any surprise that the company's years of experience shine through with the Ultra Hybrid.
If you are interested to buy this case, link is available in the description below.
The case is incredibly well built, featuring a rigid frame to keep the Note 20 safe, button covers that feel great to press, and precise cutouts with some extra wiggle room for the USB-C port to ensure all of your accessories work properly. The Hybrid name is here because the Ultra Hybrid is made out of two materials, a TPU bumper and a hard PC back. This results in the case offering great protection from drops and falls, and incredible grip to give you a more secure hold on the phone. Around front, the edges are raised ever so slightly over the screen, to keep it safe from scratches and cracks. I like just about everything that the Spigen Ultra Hybrid sets out to do, but there are a couple of small complaints that I have. This isn't anything new, but since the Ultra Hybrid is a clear case, expect to get fingerprint smudges on the back, as you use it throughout the day. I will say that they're not super noticeable on the Note 20 Ultra. But you will need to wipe it off every now and then to keep it looking clean. And, if I want to get real nitpicky, the Ultra Hybrid isn't always the easiest to take on and off. This is due to the rigidness of the case's frame, but you need that rigidity there to get the level of protection it offers. If you like clear cases and know you want one for the Note 20 Ultra, this is one of the best options you'll find. Spigen's proven time and time again that it's one of the best brands in the case business, and the Ultra Hybrid for the 20 Ultra is further proof of just that. It's built well, offers more than enough protection, and does all of this while still allowing you to show off your Note 20's design to the world.